Hey guys, Mr. Linley here. Got a property we bought here. We're going to sell it at basically half price. Nueces County Appraisal District has it listed at $148,000. We're asking $75,000. The reason I'm putting this out here today, I wanted to let everybody that's networked with me or on my Facebook or attached to me in any way, anybody that can find a buyer for this house, I'm paying a $2,000 referral fee. We can't owner finance it. It must be somebody that has cash or can go to the bank and get their loan. It's a fixer-upper. So let me turn around and I'll show you the property. Alright, the property is right behind Port HEB. It's 2630 Halsey. It's a huge property. It's 2-story. The yard is completely fenced in, double driveways. Got one on that side, one on this side. Both of them have the rolling gates. Left side here, you've got a 1-car garage. And then we also have a good-sized storage shed back there behind the garage. Full deck goes all the way across the front. The main house is this side. It's a living room, dining room. It's actually a 3-bedroom, 2-bath on this side. And then the add-on is a full bath, kitchen, living room, second laundry area. You got a kitchen, stove, refrigerator, little pantry closet. There's your laundry facility. The house does have central heat and air on this side. The add-on is not completely finished, so it doesn't have the central heat and air yet. Good size house. Let's see. There's actually, we got 1 bedroom downstairs here. Right here. Find the light switch. There we go. Got 1 bedroom downstairs with its own bathroom. Guess you could call it a master. And then upstairs we have 2 more bedrooms with, I think, 2 more bathrooms. Let me check. For me as an investor, what I would say the property needs is flooring, paint. There's 1 bedroom with a little closet. And then here's our full bathroom right here. Okay, got a full bath right here. This would be the 3rd bedroom because we had 1 downstairs, so that's 2 of them upstairs. Okay. Actually, here's a 4th bedroom. So altogether, this house will be a 5-bedroom house with 1, 2, 3.5 baths. So here's, this must be the master because you've got your bedroom, and then you've got a full bath, toilet, sink, and you have matching double walk-in closets. Good sized closets. 1 on this side, and 1 on this side. So this is the original part of the house when it was built. So I guess the main house was built with 2 stories and 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths and a half bath. So the guy had a contractor come in, the gentleman I purchased it from. They built on another 1,000 square foot, which is a gigantic bedroom. It's a little dark in here because the light's not here yet. This is the add-on. This would be basically a big living area. It's called what we call dry finish. Basically, the foundation was put in, the flooring, all the framing, the roof, it's shingled. It's pretty much closed in. What's left is it's going to need the electric on the add-on, the central air for the add-on, your plumbing, sheetrock, your finish out work. This would have been a secondary laundry area with laundry over there, and then this would have been your master. There's a big closet back there, and he was building it to have a tub and a stand-up shower. So, good sized property. And then this add-on has its own back deck separate from the house. They got your backyard. There's the 2 sheds in the garage that we seen on the way in. Good central air unit. It's a Goodman. And then since the front deck goes all the way across the front of the house, your deck will actually connect to everything, to the main house and the additional add-on. So got the deck goes all the way across. That's the driveways. So it's a huge deck. Goes all the way around. Property would be a great investment for right now. We've got 2 kind of high-end houses that we've got holding cost on. So this one we've decided to pass on and let another investor get a deal out of it. Huge property with the security gate, the double driveways. This would be a contractor's dream because they've got plenty of storage. It's a huge house. They've got security for their gates. Like I said, the Nueces County on this one, as of 2016, was $148,000. I'm asking $75,000. If anybody can bring me the buyer, it's owner finance, must be cash or bank financing. But anybody that's on here that can bring me a buyer, I'll pay a $2,000 referral fee, as fast as they can close. So definitely network it out, share the video, see if you can find me a buyer. Have a good day.